Hello everyone, Paul Huber once again for Nissan of Cool Springs. I would like to welcome all of my premium crossover shoppers today. We really hope that this video is helpful in the search for your next pre-owned vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum 4-wheel drive. This vehicle is in like new condition and is a local trade with a clean Carfax and about 13,000 miles. External features include alloy wheels, tow package, and heated power side view mirrors. Now as we take a look inside, we see that it has a dual moonroof assembly and it has a gorgeous beige leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats and heated second row seating as well, and a total capacity of 7 passengers. Now as we turn to the front, we see that this vehicle has a Bose premium audio system and a terrific selection of electronics and convenience and safety items. Those features include SiriusXM radio, and it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. And as you see, it has 2 USB charging ports for the second row passengers as well. Other features include push-button start and remote start, as well as GPS navigation and the around view backup camera system. Now, other features on top of that even include blind spot monitoring, heated steering wheel, power rear liftgate, and more. Call us at 615-224-8314 today, and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get pre-approved for your vehicle. Just text the word COOL to 96300 to get started.